Hello everyone. Welcome to the Pips Maker. Today we are going to discuss about the indicator that will show your name and pair name behind the chart. Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. First let's install the indicator. Here's we place this indicator in indicator folder and refresh the MetaTrader 4. Now, upload this indicator at chart. Edit it as your name, that I am writing our name as Pips Maker. You can write your name. See, even you can change chart background accordingly. Even can change the color. You can place this indicator at any pair or any time frame. Please download indicator from the link that available in the description. Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.